What's the meaning of collage? Collage. Collage.
Collage. Collage. A collage is a work of art created by combining various materials onto a single surface. These materials can include things like paper, fabric, photographs, and other objects. The result is often a visually striking composition with multiple layers and textures. Collages can be abstract or representational, and they offer artists a flexible and dynamic medium for exploring their creativity. By juxtaposing different elements, collages can capture complex themes, tell stories, or simply evoke a mood or atmosphere. They are versatile and expressive forms of artistic expression that offer endless possibilities for experimentation and innovation.